So here's how to fix YouTube search history not showing up. First, you want to open YouTube. Then you want to press on your profile logo on the bottom right hand side. And then you want to press on the settings icon on the top right hand side. Then you want to press on manage all history. And it should take you to your Google account. Now, if you see here a minus sign and it says not saving your YouTube history, you want to click on this option. And if this is turned off, make sure to turn it on and it's enabled. So if it shows turn off, it means already enabled. So if it shows turn on for you, you should click on turn on to turn it on. And this is the current status on the left side, which is currently on for me. And also make sure include your searches on YouTube checkbox is checked in here. So if it's not checked, make sure to check it. Now you can go back to the YouTube application again. And then if you search for something in the search box, such as food, for example. Now if you come back again and press on the search bar, you should see the food search history has been saved. And that's how you solve that issue. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.